children, how are you? Today we are going to discussing about next lesson, acid, base and salt. We already learned this lesson. We know that some of the substances like lemon, orange, grapes, etc. These are sour in taste. Chemical nature of these substances are acidic. And some of the substances like sour, these are bitter in taste. And soapy on feeling, touching type. And the chemical substance of these substances are basic. Do you know indicator? Special type of substance used to check whether the substance is acidic or basic. Indicators are special type of substance. Natural indicator. There are two types of indicators. Natural indicators, artificial indicators. Turmeric powder, China rose, etc. are the examples of natural indicator. Methyl orange, phenolphthalein, etc. are the examples of artificial indicators. And litmus is used to test the substance is acidic or basic. Litmus is prepared from lichens. Lichens is a combination of algae and fungi. It is one indicator. Next, in this lesson we learn neutralization. What is neutralization? When the acid and base, the reaction between acid and base, it neutralizes the effect of acid and also produce salt and water. And salt is not acid or base. And this process is called neutralization. The reaction between acid and base is known as neutralization. After neutralization, we can get salt and water. Neutralization in everyday life. First one, indigestion. We know that our stomach contains one acid, hydrochloric acid, and it will produce sometimes gas trouble problems. That time, we can take antacid, milk of magnesia, that is gelucid. It contains one base. It neutralizes the acid, hydrochloric acid. When an ant bites, we can apply some calamine lotion. It contains one base. When an ant bites, the ant injects one acid in our body, that is one formic acid. And this base, calamine lotion, solution containing one base. This base neutralizes the effect of this acid. It is one example of neutralization. Another one example, factory waste. Factory waste containing so much acid. It also affects the aquatic animals. It polluted in rivers. It also affects the aquatic plants. So, before disposing the factory waste in ponds or rivers, it can neutralize with some basic solution. And so this base neutralizes the effect of acid. Then next one, soil treatment. Some of the soil contains acid, more acid. That soil is acidic. That time the farmers add some basic substance. It neutralizes the effect of acid. When the soil is too acidic, that time the farmers add some quicklime, calcium oxide. It neutralizes the effect of acid in that soil. So neutralization we can use in everyday life. So in this lesson we learned about acid and base. Some of the substances are acid and some of the substances are base. And indicators is a special type of substance. We use indicators to test whether the substance is acid or base. Natural indicators and artificial indicators are two types of indicators. Turmeric powder, China rose, etc. are the examples of natural indicator. Phenolphthalein, methyl orange, etc. are the examples of synthetic indicators. Then we discussed neutralization. The reaction between acid and base known as neutralization. Neutralization is used in everyday life. Indigestion, ant bite, soil treatment, factory waste, etc. Okay, dear children, everybody should read the textbook carefully. Next class, we will discuss in the exercise questions from this text lesson. Okay, dear children, thank you.